Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose and the Moose is Loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. So the Moose is loose, guys. Like, probably, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I've had like 5 cups of coffee, and this cup is huge. Like, dude, the Moose, like, Moose would last a long time tonight, if you know what I mean. So again, like, comment, and subscribe. That's the one way you can help us out here in the channel. There's really nothing else you could do other than, maybe give me some money for my crypto investing. So I created this jar. I put crypto on it, and I'm like, all my change, I'm putting it into like sketchy altcoins. Get that 100x. Actually, no joke. What do I have? $2.35. So we got a toonie, for those of you that don't know, going into the Moose jar. So I can even do some tricks. I can roll a toonie on my hand. So look at that. Look at that. The Moose, dude, like, the Moose doesn't just invest into layer 1 blockchains. The Moose does some magic on screen, off the screen, in the bedroom. I mean, just everywhere, All right, let's focus up. Title of this video is something like Cardano Meltdown. So yeah, I'm making a clickbaity title. If you're gonna complain about it, that's fine. But you try to blow up on YouTube. It's very difficult. It's difficult, right? I'm not the OnlyFans type of model that can just make a lot of money and get a lot of attention for their body. The Moose is restricted to the body that he has, and it's no Leo. It's no Leo. So comment down below. Compared to Leo, where's the Moose? Where's the Moose? All right, so this is midnight. I just did a video. Check out on the channel under videos. Man, there's a lot of sexy content coming out. We got a Trezor Safe 3, so the new Trezor hardware wallet. I just did a first look of that. I did a first look of their mnemonic metal, so stay tuned when that comes out Friday. So today we're October 12th, 2023, almost 9 p.m., just for reference here. But check out this video. It's called Midnight Data Protection Based Blockchain Dust. So that's the title I went with. I did a deep dive into Midnight, okay? So Cardano, we are down about 6%, at least a half hour ago. It may have changed. So if we go and we're going to do a little refresh, we can see Cardano in 8th place. We're down 5.87%, so 6% on the week, okay? And in my opinion, not financial advice, I think this is a great time to buy. So even on one of these wallets, my portfolio is 6,000 on this wallet. So if you guys want to follow what I'm into, go to pool.pm, put $TIE.ADA or $REDCAPE. So you can follow my wallet. This is currently what I'm holding. I believe I have a couple of smart contracts in my other wallets as well. So what I'm getting at in this video is I remain bullish, right? There's so much quality activity happening with Cardano. My point of midnight is we now have a side chain that's really data protection driven for Cardano. So again, this is empowering data protection apps. So you can have the ability to turn on or off some privacy elements to the apps. And this is also being coded with TypeScript. So this is an easy to use when it gets released, right? So right now you can register for midnight, and this is basically going to be a token. And anyways, I do a full breakdown as much as I know about the project. I did it last night, the video. So I was a little tired, but whatever. It's the way it goes. This comes at a cost, even this channel, right? It's very difficult to produce content. So I hope you all appreciate it. Comment down below. How's the Moose doing? So midnight, it's a big part of what's been happening in Cardano's ecosystem. So on the week, we're down 6%. It's another buying opportunity, right? And what I'm getting at in this video is I remember when we went down to these levels, I bought here. So very interesting. Cardano went up to like 50 cents. So if we go here, 24 cents, I remember I doubled almost right away everything that I had. So if we go to the 1 year, right, 40, 50 cents. So we hit these lows, 30 cents, low, 43 cents. Boom, we're back low again. Another opportunity. If anything, Cardano is getting stronger, right? So have we hit new lows in a while? It looks like, yeah, 24.63. Yeah, we're lower. We're basically right where we were at, a couple months ago. So, is this the lowest? It's hard to tell, right? Unfortunately, we have the Hamas-Israel conflict, and I don't know how that's going to be resolved. But quite frankly, there's nothing I can do about it, right? But what I can do is invest into Cardano. Sounds so bad, but it is true. Guys, the moose is loose. Like, I recorded a video last night, and like, dude, the moose was so tired. And I'm talking about, midnight privacy coins. I don't even know how to code, and I'm like, are people even going to get anything out of it? I hope you guys did get something out of it. And the purpose of this video is just to state that, yeah, we're down 6%, but I remain really bullish. Like, Cardano's looking sexier than ever, right? Compared to other blockchains, Cardano is a 10. Everything else is a 7. And that's just the way it is, right? Comment down below. Do you agree? Right? Like, are you guys buying Terra Luna or are you buying Cardano? Like, which one do you believe in, especially long term? I just think Cardano has much to offer. What else do I like here that's on the coin market cap? So Loom is crushing it. Don't even know what it is, to be honest. Tether Gold, I don't know. I don't know how long that's going to last. Mantle, so the Mickey Mantle coin doing pretty good. Zcash. So fun fact with Zcash, there's zero knowledge proofs. That is what's been somewhat of a, what do you call it? A motive or a influence for the midnight side chain. So that's going to be really interesting. So that's about it. I just wanted to let you know that I remain extremely bullish. I see it as another opportunity. So if the Moose can get a couple projects done, I run a video production company, so I do a lot of content and I create online courses. So if you guys want to fund the Moose, right? I only have so much change, right? And we're moving away from the loonies and toonies. So guys, check out the channel, subscribe, like the videos. That's going to help us out. Once I can monetize, I can buy more coins and projects, and I like to have fun. So with that being said, everybody, the moose is loose. I'm going to be doing a Dega rewards update. That will be out this week. This video is out Wednesday, so Dega video actually came out yesterday for you all. So with that being said, get loose, stay loose, find someone that's loose, have some fun.